Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Learn Twice PH. Ako nga pala ulit si Mami Joylyn and today po ay day 12 na po natin sa pag-promote ng Shopee Affiliate. At iti-test din po yung Chinese videos at saka mix po ng ibang product uploads po natin. Well, today, happy po ako na i-inform po kayo na naka-receive na po ako ng email from Shopee na meron na po akong first payout. So, ito po yung email po niya. Sabi niya dito, "Thanks for promoting your affiliate link to your followers. We're glad to let you know that your bill for validation period March 17 to March 23rd, 2025 has been generated. Kindly check and reply to acknowledge that you have received your bill within 3 days so that the Shopee team can proceed with payment processing." So, for more details regarding your commissions, click here. So, kapag i-click ko po yan, pupunta po tayo dito sa My Income. So, ito po yung income ko from sa first payout ko, 'di ba? Well, happy na ako yan, 6 pesos and 42 cents. So, yun yung first payout income ko. So, sa Shopee affiliate. Maliit lang naman talaga siya sa umpisa. Well, lahat naman ng malaki, nag-uumpisa sa maliit. So, happy na ako niyan. At least kumikita na, di ba? So, meron dito sa taas, meron po siyang note. Please process the receipt to receive your commissions. I-click mo yung check now. And then, meron po siyang pending na nakalagay. So, ayan. So, waiting na lang ako sa approval ni Shopee niyan. Meron ditong pending acknowledge. May nakalagay dito, "Please acknowledge a system-generated receipt if it's correct for you. And you can also reject and upload by yourself. If you don't acknowledge or reject within 3 days, a system will acknowledge for you automatically." So, syempre, i-acknowledge natin yan. Merong button dito sa baba. Click natin acknowledge. Confirm to acknowledge. After acknowledgement, the receipt generated by the system is legally equivalent to the receipt provided by you. Okay, confirm. Sige, ano yung next na gagawin? Ayan, meron siyang acknowledge. The receipt is acknowledged and your payment process will be carried on. Alright, so makaka-receive na tayo ng first payout po ni Shopee. So, di ba legit na legit po siya na talagang kikita ka sa Shopee sa pag-upload po ng Chinese videos na i-edit mo lang. So, sa mga gusto naman pong makatry or sumabay, of course, mag-Shopee affiliate na rin kayo. So, ilalagay ko po yung link para makabili din po kayo ng Shopee. I mean, yung product videos from Chinese manufacturers. And then, I suggest na panuorin mo yung from day 1 up until today. At sa mga susunod pang videos para mas makarelate din po kayo. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.